Welcome, today I'm showing how to change icon shape into a POCO C50. First of all, open your Play Store and in search find X icon changer application. This one. Need downloading and installing, so wait a second for install. And now tap open. Now need choose some application what you wanna change from your library. So maybe, for example, Google Maps will be nice. Now from the free icon list, choose something new style for this. Maybe this one will be okay. And now for saving this icon, you tap OK button in the top right corner. And here we got message place. Go to the system settings to open shortcut permission. Tap OK. Now go into app permissions. Okay, tap back. Oh, here need tap other permissions, sorry. Settings, and here we got home screen shortcuts. Tap each option and choose always allow. Click back and back one more time. And now let's try again this icon and tap here on the OK button in the top right corner. And now wait a second for generating. Then need close ads. Maybe a few times because it's free application. Okay, we got success message. Go to desktop and find here our new icon of Google Maps. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.